Have you ever looked at wealthy people and thought, of course they're rich, they make six figures. But what if I told you that income alone doesn't create wealth? In fact, thousands of people earning over $200,000 a year are living paycheck to paycheck, while others earning half that amount quietly build financial freedom. So if you believe your low income is the reason you can't build wealth, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll realize your income matters far less than your system. Imagine two coworkers. Both earn exactly the same salary. One spends every raise on a bigger apartment, a newer car, and expensive vacations. The other lives below their means, invests consistently, and improves their skills every year. 10 years later, one is trapped by bills. The other owns investments that generate income. Their salaries were identical. Their financial habits were not. Wealth is rarely created by one big paycheck. It's created by thousands of small decisions. The first goal isn't making more money. It's controlling the money you already have. Track every dollar for 1 month. You'll probably discover subscriptions you forgot about, impulse purchases, and small daily expenses that quietly steal hundreds of dollars every month. Awareness creates control. Rule number 2. Live below your means. Most people increase their lifestyle every time their income increases. That's why many high earners never become wealthy. Living below your means doesn't mean living a miserable life. It means creating space between what you earn and what you spend. That space becomes your future wealth. Rule number 3. Invest before you feel ready. Many people say, I'll invest when I earn more. The problem is, when they finally earn more, they simply spend more. Start investing something today, even if it's only a small amount every month. You're not investing because the amount is huge. You're investing because the habit is priceless. There's a limit to how much you can cut expenses, but there's almost no limit to how much you can increase your value. Learn skills that employers pay more for. Communication, sales, marketing, technology, AI, negotiation. The fastest way to earn more isn't working longer. It's becoming more valuable. Rule number 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Your first raise shouldn't buy you a more expensive lifestyle. It should buy you more freedom. Every salary increase is an opportunity. Invest most of the difference before upgrading your life. That's how ordinary incomes become extraordinary wealth. Rule number 6. Think in years, not months. We live in a world where everyone wants quick results, but wealth doesn't work that way. The people who become financially independent usually do boring things for a very long time. Consistency beats intensity. Patience beats perfection. Time rewards disciplined people. If you earn a low income today, don't believe you're automatically destined to stay poor. Your current income is only your starting point. Your habits will determine your destination. Start controlling your money. Keep learning valuable skills. Invest consistently. And give yourself enough time, because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time.